No, this character could be the next Wolverine.
Apama is about an undiscovered animal. I don't know if you read everything that I gave you, but
Jack and Connie were just hanging around the corner of the stage to hear their favorite band play. The Motor City on the Rust spelled out Ohio was the power that the kids had to say. I can't explain it, just a mutant variation of the kind of air we all used to breathe. We're all living a paranoid delusion of the war and stories no one believes. Just hanging around the corner of the stage.
Funny books. David, it's high time you got your head out of your ass.
Or maybe you just thought for one moment that I was good enough to make it.
As
huh?
what? What are you gonna do with this?
I could get published.
$5,000 on funny books?
You know, if I sell this idea, this is going to be worth a fortune.
Are you on drugs?
He probably is on drugs.
I can't believe that.
Tomorrow, you're going out and getting a job. You're getting a real job.
Well, maybe you two would just be happier if I moved out.
You haven't paid for anything your entire life, and now you don't need us.
No!
Get out! Get out of here! You know what, David? I'll even help you pack! Dressing up like a comic book character.
The movie Hero Tomorrow. It is actually an independent superhero film that is premiering tonight at Comic-Con.
It's the first film project I've really worked on.
I think this is probably the best venue we could have hoped for ever.
We are checking out Chris Gore's favorite films from the Comic-Con Film Festival. Well, let's start with some of the picks. You brought the best of the best.
Yes.
Well, Hero Tomorrow.
The cool thing about this movie really is how ambitious it was on such a low budget. I mean, they made this film in Ohio for dirt money.
From the films you've been watching most online, here's our pick. It's from Ohio-based filmmaker and comic book fanatic Ted Sikora. Since premiering at Comic-Con, it's run the festival circuit and hits Montreal's Fantasia Festival in July.
Sick and tired of playing tic-tac-toe. Shimmy, shimmy through the all night.